Hi, I'm Chloe from Alpha Phoenix Intelligent Computer Technology.
Let's talk about a tool that could seriously level up your technical analysis. APICT Chart Pattern, or MetaTrader 5. Introducing the Chart Patterns Indicator, a new generation of intelligent trading tools powered by advanced AI. Designed for MetaTrader 5, APICT automatically draws trend lines, detects trading channels, and recognizes more than 10 classic chart patterns, including flags, wedges, pennants, double tops and bottoms, and price channels, all in real time. But it's not just about detection. APICT explains the significance of each pattern, highlights potential breakout directions, and pinpoints key price levels to watch, giving you deeper market insights at a glance. Getting started is simple. First, download the APICT Chart Patterns Indicator from our website, the MQL5 Market, or the MetaTrader Marketplace. Then open MetaTrader 5. Navigate to File, then Open Data folder. Inside the MQL5 folder, find Indicators, and paste the APICT file. Restart MetaTrader 5 and you're ready to go. Using APICT is effortless. The user-friendly control panel lets you adjust both major and minor trend settings with just a few clicks. Fine-tune sensitivity through shift and period controls to match your trading style. Easily switch between color themes, access full documentation, or watch video tutorials directly from the interface. For further support, visit our online documentation, connect with our YouTube tutorials, or email our team directly at apicttradinglibrary@gmail.com. Discover a smarter way to trade with the APICT Chart Patterns Indicator. The future of intelligent trading is here.